Alright, so we're back again today, and have no idea about this little camera box I got on top of my hat. This is what I got done yesterday. Just felled that big log there and skinned them up, bucked them and skinned them. Let me show you this right here. This is what's left of that log right here, and it's going to be a ridge pole for the cabin, the main ridge pole. And it's going to be about 19 feet. So that's what we're working on now. I'm about to buck that. So anyway, I shot some video with this little box on my head yesterday, and got home and looked at it, and I didn't have this thing tilted right, and you know, I can't see what I'm doing with it. I need a monitor. So if any of you guys use one of these little GoPro things, let me know. It's a Hero 5 session. So anyway, I'm gonna buck it right here, but I gotta clear out some stuff. Okay, so we'll see what happens. Maybe maybe this will get you to see the bucking action here. All right, let's give it a shot. See if we can get a better look on this thing. Got a knot right there. Come on, Todd. Going to get that out. Come on now. There it is. There's a knot right there. Fat ladder. Try to clean this up a little bit. Squeeze up against this brush, see if we can't get it cut. Didn't give myself a good spot there. There it is. All right. So I'll get this out of this grapevine and get out here on the trail and limit and skin it. For those of you who've been following along on this build, you'll remember the logs I cut in February weren't turning loose. The bark sap wasn't rising, wasn't turning loose, and I was gonna have to bribe people to come out here and have a barking party. But as you can see, this stuff's just peeling right off now. So still may have that barking party because we've still got a few logs to peel. But as you can see, man, this stuff, it just comes off in sheets. And so we're gonna try and do the rest of that one. That'll be another, probably a 12-foot log there. And we'll keep moving. It's pretty slick, but it ain't ice slick. Can't tell if that's a honeybee or a ground bee. He's digging on this fresh peeled pine though. Yeah, we're gonna snag me, aren't you? Maybe. Let's see if I have another one. I think I'm going to. Might be all right. This right here is gonna be gnarly. Go ahead and start hitting these knots right here. Okay. All right, let's make a run. Those roots are rough. That's a good 12. The old walking away in the woods scene here. Grapevine grabbed me. wasn't very graceful, was it? Oh Lord have mercy. Gotta love some YouTube.